to our channel, French and Pinay Simple Life in the Philippines. Yeah, this morning I have a visitor here in our small house. Hi, Cheryl. Cheryl is here. Say hi. Yes, she is the daughter of our closest neighbor, Ati Baday. I asked her mother to come so we can cook a glutinous rice with coconut milk and sugar. Yeah, but Ati Baday is still in their house. She will come very soon. Ay, mag-send.
Katong pagsugod sa COVID ba? Dihay ga padala. Kanang kuan. Adi ko matingog kay. Jadi asugo sa France.
Gasoroy?
Turkey sa.
Ay, sa ati, uy!
Ay, masika ta ana nga. Ay, tatlubera.
We're cooking biko. It's glutinous rice with coconut milk and sugar. Ate no? Taas kayo English ang biko. Makatawa ko. Ate Baday is here in our kitchen. That's the coconut milk, and she pressed to get the the gata. She pressed the coconut meat to get the coconut milk. Mau ba te?
Gamon og kanang latek.
Gamon og latek. And we will make a latek. How? Say English sa latek? Latek? Nakaon. Cheryl is watching her mother how to make a latek. Yeah, latek is a coconut milk with the sugar. Later we will add the sugar. And we will boil it for how many? Pila ka oras ate? We will boil it for about 15 minutes until the sugar is completely dissolved, and we can produce a latek. And then after that we will add the cook glutinous rice. In Bisaya we call this pilit rice. It's sticky rice. Sticky. Cheryl. Say hi, no? Kailan naman silang Cheryl? Kailan naman silang Cheryl?
Nagkoda ko magkakandeng.
Ame.
Ma'am. Gadang kandeng. Maulaw mo na siya. Mukhaon.
Ate, basi mo awas ne. Mara! The coconut milk is now boiling. Latik. Kung may baon sa English sa latik. What did you say, ate?
Pilit.
It's nice to cook glutinous rice. Glutinous. Pwede raso ka may sticky rice. Pilit. Sticky.
Ingon yun ng mga kanang Pinoy. Kaluma naman na sila biko-biko.
Sigday lang eh. Pwede ramang good binisayon. I-translate lang na ito ginagmay.
kung ano Bisaya galing kay dito na sa gawas.
Naamang ko'y mananaw mga kuan po dati.
Di kasabot ng mga Amerikano. Yes,
Binuang naman na yung mukha. Ayaw, nag-apilaan ka ng brand.
magbobo na ko kama.
She already add sugar, brown sugar to the coconut milk. Nice atin. We will also make a budbud. Budbud, ate? It's also a glutinous rice cooked with coconut milk. And then add ginger and sugar and salt and wrapped in a banana leaves. We will show later. Budbud ay naare.
Lain sa na suman. Suman.
Mabay ako dalang liyan. Magpuno na sa
Another kumot-kumot.
Another kumot-kumot of the coconut. Gamit sa kubriya, magluto ko sa manok.
Yung tanin na mo yung mga bata kay
Mga giro, kaya bisa-bisa.
mabibo.
Kung lang ate, ugmayan ng panahon, pagdahera ito dali akong mga parentihan.
Kanya kuanday ka litson.
Mag-litson manok din, may dako na mo imuhang manok din, bisuro sa nakit.
Wala man ko sa dili ay nung mais ito.
Hello, sanggiyon ba yan na ako? Wala naman sad.
Na.
Manurok lang.
Na sa akong manok.
Manurok na.
Mao day na akong manok balik-balik anak kay nang day ilang pagkaon.
Dira-diran dito ng Christian. Hoy, ikaw boy, imagine ang kuno nga.
Ay, kay wala manok dili ang itlog no.
Wala. Saan mo pag itlog na yan mga tiradoro?
Noon ba na sila mabuol may balay nga kuan bitaw kanang tahay kanang mahilig ka sa bata. May lube nga. Ngane, oo, sabog dito. Maanad man na sila. Nga mga itlog na dito.
Ano mo lagi tao. Ano din. Hindi ko dukot na ano. Hello. Kita misa.
Kami sila kahain mo. Yan mo na pag mikuha mo. Kami
meron.
nakainit ko. Hey! It's not.
Hey, it's not
delicious your bigo.
your biko is
Tabang-tabang.
your biko is tabang-tabang na delicious. Good for yan yung gamay at yung vanilla. Magbutang ba ako limonsito basta magbiko? Humot. Usba, kay wa naon akong video. And then
add the rice fillet.
the rice fillet. We will now add the glutinous rice to the coconut, to the latic or to the coconut milk with sugar. Dito ka ate, kaya hindi ka maglisod. Bangan tigdo, okay? Feel na ko ate daghan na na. Kamera man sang duha og ikaw ug kamo.
Hala pa on.
Pwede ra painayan imong kayo og kanang maglisod ka guan. Basin og kanang di ka ka-adjust. Ate Baday has 2 audience while she's cooking. Cheryl and me.
Mura tagay pa ko ani ni kanang di ba sarap?
Ay ote kanang magkuan. Kanang guest ka i-guest. Kabuyan naman siya.
Di ba sarap?
Lagi.
Ay, so very sweet.
That's very sweet. Guest bitaw.
Halo.
And mix it very well. Halo.
Mahubas ramang gamay siya.
Yan, nadukot mo na ang kani.
Okay lang ni.
Uy, lami ba yan ang dukot?
Kalimot ay kukuha.
Sa?
Laki. Nambay ko dukot. Ano?
Para ibutang?
Butang ano ba? Pero makaon yung dukot na to. Yan ang dukot.
Kuha eh. Akatoy mo ang sabaw. Gamit atong kaniya. Nulisod ka?
Naman kumana danaw. Saan man ni? And
then mix like this and mix like this.
And then ana tuyok. Danaw. Good.
Ate Baday said if you want to hire a cook, you can hire her. She is very good. Oh, she
Very good is
talkative and very good cook.
joking. Galing nga ba pangatawa ani. Asa magdahon na to itabon.
Daon saging itabon.
Dahon sila.
I'll cut banana leaves to cover that. Ako ra ate. Yes, so our kitchen is very busy. My small kitchen is very busy because I asked Ate Baday to come over and to cook a glutinous rice with coconut milk and sugar. And right now it's about to cook. Look at that. This is very famous, as I have said earlier. It's very famous on the table of the Filipino people, especially during the birthdays or other. And Christian loves to eat also this one because it's sweet.
Itabon
Mara, quiet Mara. We use banana leaves to cover the... Mara, quiet.
Yeah, no.
Katoon dako ate. Ay, hugaw na ate.
Kani ito.
Oh. Hugasan na ni. Mara, quiet.
What is your comments?
Mara, shh. Yay, our biko is cooked. It's very delicious. Look at that. Yay, thank you Ate Baday. And who wants to hire Ate Baday to cook your glutinous rice with coconut milk? She is always available. Ate no, you're for her.
Oh, my taste. My taste.
What can you say about your biko?
Lami.
She said it's very delicious. Yeah, and it's true. I'm sure Christian would love to eat biko. Right, Cheryl?